Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to upload files for a project, annotate documents, and create tasks for your team directly within the application. To get started, open the project where you want to upload your files. Scroll down to the Documents section. Here, you can either create a new folder or upload files directly into the system. As you can see, I've already uploaded some drawing files. You'll notice two sections here: organization files and client files. The client files section allows customers to upload their own reference files through the customer portal, while the organization files section is where your internal team manages project documents. For this example, I've created a folder called Drawings and uploaded the files that we'll be working with. To upload files into this folder, simply click New, then select Upload Files and choose the files you'd like to upload. While uploading, you'll see a couple of important options. Visible to customer controls whether the customer can see this file in the customer portal. If you disable this option, the customer won't be able to view the file. If it's enabled, the file will be visible to them. The second option is allowed to download. If you disable it, customers can view the file but won't be able to download it. If it's enabled, they'll be able to download the file from the customer portal. Next, click the More Actions menu. Here you'll find several options. You can view and annotate the file, create a task, move the file to another folder, download it, rename it, upload a new version, or delete it by moving it to the trash. Now, let's open a file and add an annotation. I'll select View and Annotate. In the upper right corner, click Add Annotation. Then click anywhere on the drawing to place your comment. For this example, I'll add a comment to this specific area. From here, you can either save it as a comment or create a task directly from the annotation. You can also tag a team member so they're notified immediately. For now, I'll save it as a comment. Once it's saved, the tagged team member will receive a notification letting them know that they've been mentioned in an annotation for this file within the project. If you ever need to edit or delete your comment, you can do that at any time. Now let's create a task. Simply click Create Task. Here, you can enter the task description, assign it to one or more team members, set the priority, choose the start date and due date, and select the task status. You can choose statuses such as To Do, In Progress, In Review, or Completed, depending on your workflow. Once everything is filled in, click Create Task. Your task and comments have now been successfully created. Now, let's say the assigned user completes the work and needs to upload an updated drawing. They can simply click the Actions menu and select Upload New Version. After uploading the revised file, you'll be able to view the latest version directly within the application. You can also switch between different versions of the file to compare revisions and review the comments or tasks associated with each version. As I mentioned earlier, customers can also upload files through the customer portal. They simply log in using their email address, open the Files section, and they'll be able to view any files you've shared with them. They can also create folders or upload their own files. Once uploaded, those files will automatically appear in the corresponding project within your organization's application. And that's how you can upload project files, organize them into folders, annotate drawings, tag team members, create tasks, and collaborate with your team, all from within the application. If you ever need to remove a file, you can either delete it directly or move it to the trash. Any deleted files can be found later in the View Trash section. That's everything you need to know about uploading files, annotating documents, managing revisions, and creating tasks within the application. Thanks for watching.